this is how we are going to install these brand new compressors inside this freezer. We have 7 to 8 freezers here. So now we cut the old compressor that is 220 volts and take it away. So our big compressor, we take the new compressor, we put it inside. We first clean all the dirty inside and put the new brand new compressor tuntun láti gbé sínú ẹ̀tẹ̀ rí yìí. So tá bá ti gbé compressor tuntun sí, we will remove all the seal rubber that the manufacturer used to block the tube for oil not to pour away. We remove them and put the bolt and nose. So tá bá ti yọ àwọn rubber tí wọ́n fi dí ẹnu àwọn ihò kíní oil yẹn wá, àwa fi bolt and nose dé compressor tuntun yẹn mọ́. So òun la ti ń dè tẹ́tí ń rí yẹn. So you will need to bolt the 4 leg of the compressor. So that's the 3rd leg. You see, you will thread it properly. Make sure you tight it very strong. Use spanner. If you spanner dé, kẹ́fi spanner dé bolt yẹn kó fi lé dáadáa. Kò fi ní sí pé ó á máa gbọ̀n tó bá ń ṣiṣẹ́. When you tight it properly, the vibration will not much. It's not even going to vibrate. There won't be no vibration. That's the 4th bolt kẹrin, òun ló wà nígun lọ́hùn. So you push that rubber back before you weld it, so that the fire will not burn that rubber. That's a rubber protective hose. So that is the suction tube. Suction tube ni you can use plier to bend this, to bend that pipe. Push it in. Make sure the 2 pipe join together very well. So now that one, you use saw to scratch it. If there are carbon on the mouth of the pipe is brass. So ẹ fi saw gbọ́n ha ẹnu ẹ̀ kí ẹnu ẹ̀ kó mọ́ dáadáa. You can use nose plier to widen that pipe on the compressor. So to make sure, kẹ́lẹ̀ fi rí dájú wípé a wọnú ara wọn. After doing that, if it's not still entering each other, that's why we recut it. Ìgbà tá a tún gé, after we cut it again, we push it in. You can see that it has entered. So that is charging fab. We have inserted the charging fab to it now. It remains to weld it. So we have our welding materials here. Àti ní àwọn welding materials wá ń bí. That is brass wire and the powder. So now this is our welding machine that we are going to use to weld it. So now let us light it up. Ẹ jẹ́ àtàná sí, àti tàná sí báyìí. Oh, iṣẹ́ welding ti bẹ̀rẹ̀. We are welding it at the moment. Tẹ́ bá ti ń jó irin yẹn, ẹ máa yọ brass yẹn sí. Before you can do this, you must to learn how to use the welding machine, that particular welding machine, to weld. It's not for amateur, it's for professional. Please, it's advisable you didn't try this if you didn't learn how to use it to avoid explosion. So as in Joe charging fab, we have welded the charging fab. It remains the pressure tube lanjo lọ́wọ́ yẹn. So as in Joe pressure tube lọ. So the pressure tube is alright now. We are done with the welding. Báyìí ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ sínú connection thermostat. In this video, I want to show you the thermostat connection. So there are plenty wires that follow the thermostat connection in the former connection that work with the 220 volts connection. Thermostat connection yẹn sì wà lórí connection 220 volts. You will remove those wires from the indicators. So this rubber was used to seal the back of the thermostat. Cut away the seal and remove the nylon. That nylon was used to cover the back of the thermostat. Remove the nylon to have access to the connection. Tẹ́ bá ti ṣí nylon yẹn kúrò, ẹ lè ní àǹfààní sí ìdí thermostat yẹn láti rí àwọn wáyà tó jáde ní díẹ̀. What you will do is to find the two cable that bring bypassing enter the thermostat, so that the thermostat will be easily have access to the power flowing through the compressor. So now you will use your multimeter to identify the two wire by turning off the thermostat knob. When you turn off the thermostat knob, it must off. The continuity must off. So when you turn it on again, it must on again in the multimeter to identify the two wire. So you can see it has off, it has on. So we fast forward the video to shorten the duration of the video, not to make the duration of the video too long. So you can see, after using multimeter, you will identify the two wire. We have brought out the two lead wire, that is the main thermostat wire. You can see we turn it off, it off, we turn it on, it's on. So that two wire that you have identified, put socket pin, yes, put pin as the mouth of the two wire. Thanks for watching the video. See our previous video and watch the full connection that we have done there to see how the connection is. This video is just to educate you about the replacement of 220 volts compressor with DC compressor alone. Thanks for watching. See you next time.